And welcome back to the Market Wolf, where I give you the best bear case, the best bull case, and I give you my opinion. If you want to join my free group on X, all you have to do is go down to Real Market Wolf Opinions, and you can click there on my homepage, and it's free group. You get my opinions there and all kinds of updates there that nobody else is going to see. Videos like this will be released on YouTube occasionally and sometimes over here in the community as well. This is going to be released on YouTube. If you're not in YouTube yet and you're in my community, get over there to the YouTube channel. I've got that right here. Subscribe so you don't miss the videos in case you don't see it in the opinion community. We are growing quickly here. That said, let's take a look at the long-term case on Cellframe, because that's what this video is all about. And we're looking at the weekly time frame. Cell is currently sitting at $1.03 and some change. And this weekly time frame looks really good. I know that many people are looking at the short term and they're very concerned. But if you look at the way Cell moves and the way it's been consolidating inside of this larger symmetrical triangle structure that we've been in, we're on this uptrend right now, and price is consolidating. And so we are looking to see in this alt season if we are going to get a breakout or not. And just a couple of things to point out. On the weekly, we're still above the 20-day moving average. Okay, you could come all the way down and test 83 cents. And if you get in that small group, you're going to see some of these levels that I've talked about in the shorter cases, so you know what's coming next. But understand that, potentially you could come all the way down and test this 67-cent level again, which is kind of a line of last resort. There's so much confluency right here in this area between these two ranges, between 84 cents basically and 67.41. And so don't be surprised if you do see a back test there, but understand that this on the weekly time frame is a huge bullish engulfing candle. This is a God candle and a bullish engulfing candle. It was just an incredible move. And we still look very good as far as inflows and outflows. So I'm not overly concerned right now. If we do come down here, I want to see us catch support. Notice last time when we caught support, we came down, caught support. It took us this week to catch the support. Then 1, 2, 3 weeks to have some move up. 4, 5 weeks to consolidate, and then boom, 6 weeks, you're exploding. Okay, so understand these moves take some time. So right now we're just coming back and testing this consolidation range again. And just if you were to play some short-term swing trades in this area, if that's something you want to do on Mexi or something like that, just like from roughly here at the base all the way up to the top again, you're looking at 130% of play. Now it's going to get narrower and narrower as we consolidate more and more, but I'm not sure that's going to happen. So one of the things we're going to be looking for on this altcoin season is on these back tests, we do need to get some explosive moves out, and we will see, I believe, another explosive move up. Perhaps we get support here at $1.56 eventually. And then there's a lot of confluency in this area with a lot of our ranges and also the top of this consolidation, which is why I have both breakout points hypothetically here, which honestly, it looks like it's targeting sometime in early to mid-March. So I'm not sure if that's accurate or not. It's just a target level because there is confluency there. So we'll see if that happens. We'll see if we loop around here and get a boom out around there. And then this level here is what we're looking for. If we do attempt a breakout, understand that we've got resistance at 236, and this is, a longer case here. So we might get rejected there. We'll see what's happening at the time, see if we come back down and retest the top of the triangle. It's not the end of the world if that happens necessarily. We'll keep an eye out for that if that does happen. But your first measured move from breaking out from down here in these ranges earlier should take us, if we can get through these resistance points, to about $3.06. And then a breakout off of the top of the triangle could take us to a maximum of about $4.19. Now, does that mean that's as high as we go on Cell this altcoin cycle? Not necessarily. You could go higher. This is just what's in the cards right now based on what our consolidation is doing in the medium to longer term. And, that doesn't rule out that the narrative gets picked up, that people really start to understand what Cellframe is at the same time that it's breaking out. If you get a confluency of narrative, understanding the tech, and then the bull run all at the same time, sure, this could go absolutely crazy. I wouldn't even want to speculate how high it could go, right? I mean, I would, since this is a limited supply of coin, I would be thinking maybe something similar to the way that Quant, QNT, behaved early on in the beginning of its initial cycle. Now, this isn't the entire Cellframe chart here that you're seeing. This is only the Cellframe chart from Mexi, and I'm using Mexi because you're going to get a lot of I feel like there's going to be more accurate movement here, just because there's a lot of ability to buy and sell easily on Mexi, as opposed to like some of these other, and you're going to have more buying and selling activity there, more orders. So if anybody knows of a better chart that's going to have more inflows and outflows, let me know. But so far, Mexi has been doing just fine for me on that. Those are the levels we're looking for. And I did want to show you very quickly, just to end here, the 2-week time frame, just because I think, we just look so good. We look so good right now on the 2-week time frame. We had just had tremendous inflows, and as of now, this is just a back test, very similar to this breakout when we had this little back test here, and a lot of people were getting very upset here, understandably so, but understand that Cellframe is doing the work that it needs to do to get to an appropriate level to have a major breakout, and that can take weeks, that can take months sometimes, but right now things look very good. So that's your update for Cellframe. I'm going to try and do a total update on BSV, Quant, Trios, any coin that you want to see, let me know. I'll do a long-term update on that coin for this potential altcoin breakout. We will see you next time. Make sure you're subscribed to YouTube and you join my X group